a step up, going to the other garden. Because there was the garden bed, we laying the weed mat under. And also we installed a structure for the stairs. As you can see, 180 by 280. 3 decking board, and the rise should be 2 decking board. Trade is 3 decking board, and then another one going down and continue. And this is the top level. We have 3 level. 1 level is there, a step down. 1 level is there, and the other level is all going to the outside in 1 level. We try to make it level by the entrance of the house. This deck help us to make it more level, because the land is too high somewhere and too low in the other side. That's the best idea. We build a structure around the tree. Yep. And we're continuing to the end. So today we should continue and complete the structure up to the fence.
Yeah.
First, we need to remove the old fence, put it to the skip bin, and then continue the rails, digging post, and finish the structure. مهدی پست خیلی خوب شده. پست چقدر کانکریت گرفته، همچنین ترکونده. The end of the structure. These are last posts, and we continue the fence and the gate in that area. This is a gate access for the house. So big structure, 110 square meter. So this is the bin. We kill in there. We use the plant box. He has it already. We use it for the corner, and then we use 2 boxes there. Plant box. We build a garden edge to maintain the level. Let me put this. Make a shape. Continuing there, and then the structure. This is a gate. Corner will be free space for the gas and water access. And let's go through. Install the post fence post to there. As you can see in the line, and the post, the ant protect cap on top of the post, because we cut the timber, needs to be protected from the ant. The edge, and to the end. This is one step up there, going level by the house. This is the best solution to level this slopey land. It's easier than excavating, making retaining wall to a step up and the top level. We have to install 2 more fence posts to connect and continue the post up to the corner. And this is how we install the stairs structure. That's the easiest and the faster, and also it's enough strong. 280 for trade, 190 for the rise. Broken 600 mil down. And we're laying the weed mat at the finished guys to stop growing weeds in that area. That was a garden before. And we should make it more tidy, clean, and cover all part of the soil. And also we have an opening from this corner for the water tap coming through, and the water system here, hot water system. And then continue to the front. Let's make a huge open area on the backyard for them. Before the most of the after the trees, they can't use the space because it was too slopey, lots of plants, grasses, and now it's cleaned up and make it bigger in the level area. So, continuing install a decking board. That's too much. This is a 3 days job. We're coming to the gate, cutting around the post. Mehdi, that should be good.
Yeah.
If you cut a piece and complete that part. It's like a dent coming off.
Okay, I'll do.
And then here. So, decking completed. We do the first coat of the oil, and this is the timber deck oil. Also, we install the rail for the fence. It's easy to do the first coat before the install the paling, and then we do the second coat after finish the fence. Also, we install the pavers, concrete pavers on the mortar, and laying weed mat, laying the pavers. This is the Rivel gravel stone 30 to 40. laying for the side. It has to be level of the concrete of the driveway, not over it.